Welcome everybody to Module 6 of this Google Sheet course. Here, we will explore quick and efficient calculations in Google Sheet, including addition, finding the maximum and minimum values, calculating the average, and counting numbers, helping you analyze data with ease and precision. Let me show you with the ready-made sheet I made before. It will help us save our time and move directly into the main topics. Select the column we'd like to calculate. I will go with the price column. Notice the bottom right corner, the total sum appears at the bottom. Click and you can see average, minimum value, maximum value, count numbers. The max value highlights the highest number in the selected column, while the min reveals the lowest. Count shows the total number of cells excluding blanks, and count numbers help by counting only numerical entries. Additionally, the sum gives you the total of all selected numbers, while the average helps you understand the overall trend by calculating the mean value. While these insights displayed instantly, you can analyze your data effortlessly. But note that these quick calculations may not work properly if your data contains mixed formats like currency and numbers with different decimal places or symbols, or if some cells are formatted constantly. For example, if a cell is formatted as text or has an invisible character, it might interfere with accurate calculations. Always double-check the formatting to ensure your results are precise.